Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Goblin Comic Channel. So for today's video, this is about game Panda Act. I did this commission long time ago. This commission is the first time I ever did for a video game, and it belongs to small indie game. And here the description for the banner. So as you can see, so this guy he want me to make a cover art for his student. His name called David, and the game is called Next Law Island. And he did a very detailed description what this one would look like. And okay, and there's some reference art too. And this one I know this is called the Celeste game, Hollow Knight, and also the Shovel Knight. One the cover art somehow similar to that, and there are also some detail about the character in the world. And also this game will be on Steam, I believe, and this commercial, this banner will use as a commercial for the game opening title. It looks fun. So okay, so let's start the idea. Okay, so as you can see, I start to design a character pool first, and this I took a lot of inspiration about Donald Duck. You can see it quite looks familiar because when I see the character, this is the first time I think about it. So this is just a sketch, by the way, and this is not a file. I just want to make a quick sketch so to show it to the customer. So if he happy with the idea, then I can move on to the final design. And the hard part about this one is the background. Okay, so I want to make. I wonder this is what I took on the mod. I can decide what kind of background I want to use. So there are a lot of trial and error until I come up with a good idea about the style too. It's look cartoonish from the Western comic from like Spirou and Fantasio or the Asterix. I come up with that. As you can see here, I start to make. So there you go. This is the design I come up with, and I show this to customer. And when I and he quite happy about that. So now I move to the final design with begin with the light art. I have to make the clean light art and change the facial, change the face of the character a bit so he don't look like to look like Donald Duck, because this will become the copyright issue. So I have to make the character look a lot different. Also I have to make him look like the character from the game, as you can see. Yeah, the pick of the character is quite hard to do, and I figure it out. Yeah, as you can see, I struggle a lot with the pick, so I use the reference Donald Duck to check out if it's correct. Okay, so that's it for the light act. So now I'm moving to the color and the background. The background is hard to design, so you can see in this video I do try a lot of things, trial and error until I find the correct background I want to use. Yeah, and for the color, I want it to bright as possible, so the main theme for the color will be green and blue, the sky and the grass and the tree. Yeah, so you can see here. And so yeah, and the background I will try do a lot of arrow and until I satisfy what the background will be look like. Okay, so enjoy the video. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Okay, so after finish this one, I will go to Steam and check out the game. So so what it look like on the banner on Steam, the Steam store right now, and also there's some sale going on. Okay, so Snake, wait, Necklaw Island. Hey, the Necklaw Island game. Okay, so this is the game they commissioned me about, and it look interesting. It's 2D game. Oh, and here you can see right here the background and make the game look like look like they remove the character. Okay, so this happen a lot. Sometimes something work and they don't they like the idea, but somehow they change the mind and they just want the background, so they remove the character. So this is normal, but it's quite surprising to see the work I did on Steam. Okay, so thank you for watching. I think that's enough. I don't know the game good or not. There are only 3 user review, so maybe you guys want to check out the game for the kid. Okay, so that's the end of the video. And please consider like and subscribe the video. I will make more content in the future. Okay, so yeah, so see you and have a good day.